What's up guys, back on YouTube with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Uncaged UltraBOOST. Now the Uncaged UltraBOOST dropped today worldwide, and I was amazed to see that not only did my local Adidas store have these, but Foot Action had them, Finish Line had them, and Champs had them. So I've seen people walk into Adidas, cop a pair, and then make their way around the whole mall to the other stores. And I've seen people come with friends and they've walked out with a total of like 8 pairs. It's crazy. But since that, what I'm seeing that these aren't so limited, that buying in bulk isn't gonna help anything out for the resellers. So I just picked up 2 pairs. I was able to get the core black and the gray version. And now getting into the box, you're gonna see that it does have a picture of both of the colorways. This one obviously being the core black, and this one being the gray. Same UltraBOOST box as every other UltraBOOST. Now getting into the first colorway, I'm gonna open up the core black. Taking a look at the core black, you're gonna see immediately that prime knit material, and is reminiscent very much like the NMD camo, I believe, or they call it glitch, or they call it Oreo, but basically it has this pattern on it. So what a lot of people liked about this colorway was the pattern and the stitching. I did a review on those NMDs. That was my first NMD review back in January. So these remind me very well of those. But with the UltraBOOST Uncaged, obviously the most distinct part about the sneaker is that it no longer has the cage on the UltraBOOST, but it does have, as you can feel on this part right here in the middle, it is prime knit, but you can still, it's harder because there's a plastic insert behind it, but when you put your foot in, you won't feel it. That's just right here in the middle, I would say, with this line and this line right here. Up towards the front, you're not going to feel it no more. It's going to be much more softer because there's no plastic behind it. But looking at the laces are going to be flat, but they're going to match the pattern of the sneaker, which really makes it stand out. You're going to see the tag for Continental because these do have a Continental sole. I think that's the way with the Adidas UltraBOOST are going to go from here on out, is with the Continental sole. Looking at the molded heel cup, it's gonna be black with silver and gold. As with all the 2016 UltraBOOST releases, they have all been silver with gold. Looking onto the other side, you're also gonna have something very much different, but what's seen on the Pure Boost ZG is the Adidas 3 stripes. That's their performance line. It's now has fused overlay into the prime knit, so there's no taking this off unless you try to paint over it. You got these holes. At first I thought these were for breathability, but this is actually more holes for the laces. Another big difference with this UltraBOOST from the previous is you have the ankle collar is now like a sock, basically. Well, I should say a cuff. When first looking at the collar through pictures, I thought it was just like the NMD, but now after having it in person, this is way different, but only because of the fact that it's way tighter, a lot thicker, whereas the NMDs is wider, looser, but I guess that's for the lifestyle fit, whereas this is more performance, so they don't want any of the runners' feet slipping out. So I think this is important, but I actually prefer this collar over the NMD collar because I actually like that lockdown fit. Looking on the inside, it's going to be all, well, yeah, solar orange. That's what they call it. The insole is removable, under is black. All white boost. Full length boots from the midsole. Like I said, the bottom is Continental. You got the torsion system. Overall, I really like this colorway, and this is the colorway that I chose that I would choose between the two. Alright, now getting into the gray colorway. The gray colorway is pretty much the same story. Not really much to say, just a different color pretty much. Laces is gonna mimic the pattern on the sneaker. The ankle collar is gray, obviously because it's gray heel cup, silver, gold, Ultra Boost. This pattern is a little bit, it's the same pattern, but it just has now white, black, and charcoal gray knitting. Something I did forget to mention is that the inside of the Ultra Boost, I don't know if you guys can see that, it is padded around here, which is something that wasn't on the regular Ultra Boost. So this is padded in here. It's soft, feels good. So it has the 3 stripes. Continental sole, torsion system's the same color. The stretch web mixed with the Continental sole. So yeah guys, this is the gray colorway. We'll pull back out the core black colorway. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one is the better colorway? Which one would you cop? The gray or the core black? The core black still has gray in it, but it's just a darker gray color. This one's just a lighter gray. Yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. But as always, thanks again guys for watching. I'm gonna put on an on feet video at the end clip to show you guys what it looks like on feet. I'm gonna do it in both colorways. But yeah, thanks again for watching, stopping by the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content coming up with more exclusive Adidas sneakers, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.